Hey boys, welcome back to another video. Quick Monday update. I'm going to tell you guys exactly my plan on how I'm going to trade Bitcoin in the coming new month for September. I'm very excited to also tell you that I have partnered with Weeks and we're giving away 50 USDT. We're gonna choose 3 to 4 winners every week. This is going to be a weekly giveaway. So go ahead and check this post on my Instagram channel. By the way, if you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I post daily crypto technical analysis for Bitcoin, altcoins, meme coins, and prop firms on this channel. By the way, I have some links below. We got Weeks, Coinflare, Bybit, and client funding. I have some hot discounts right now. If you want to support the channel, please use my codes and links in the description below. All right, so we're about to close on this monthly candle, and it's still Sunday right now. I just recorded a video early because I'm gonna be traveling tomorrow, but I want to see how this candle actually closes. If we close below 105K, take this low, or we just range around here because Monday is gonna be very, very um, critical for Bitcoin. It is basically going to tell us how it's going to trade for the rest of the week. So, just my suggestion for you boys is just to let Monday play out. Don't ever rush into trades on Monday because Mondays are usually fake outs, and there's a lot of fake outs that happens during Monday. So, um, to give you guys an idea right now, we're just ranging at the lows, but uh last week I gave you guys this short banger short. That's like a 3.6% move to the downside. By the way, I did take this long. I At first I didn't really want to take it because going into the weekend I don't really want to manage trades during the weekend. So I did take this and I got stopped out for $100, just like what I told you boys that I'm gonna be risking $100 only per trade on our journey to 100K with $1,000. So I'm very being transparent with you boys. I got stopped out, but it's nothing big. We can always bounce back. We have a very, very interesting week this September. So we did bounce on my second long, but I didn't take it because, like what I said, I don't usually trade trades on Monday. But if you did take it, made some money, congrats to you. That's another 2% move to the upside. So we're just going to delete this now and make a new flat. Wait, I don't want to delete that. Maybe I want to save it and see how many trades, banger trades we give throughout the week. So uh just how it's looking, boys. I am still short bias on the short term, but of course on the long term we're still very bullish. Okay, I want to see if we actually took that low. Hold on. Okay, we actually didn't take liquidity. So there's this low that I've been looking at, and I feel like we're probably gonna take that and fill some single prints down here. So we didn't take it. We did bounce, but this was the initial long that I gave you boys on Friday, and I really wanted this liquidity to get taken out before going back up. But since that we didn't take it, I am 100% sure we're gonna take that on Monday or Asia when Asia opens. So I want to see my next long would be right around the previous month low or around here in the single prints. I want to see how we react into this support right here in this point of control. Because if this doesn't hold, we're probably going to trade lower right here. So you want this level to actually hold for Bitcoin. Because if not, then we're probably going to take that low. All right, so this is my current setup. I have a long here at previous month low. Now, if I also see a bounce here, I might take one and might just add if we come down here lower. But these are my longs. I got one from 104K and 105K. Those are my two longs that I'm gonna be waiting for Bitcoin. Now, for shorts, I am very interested in this daily level right here and POC. So I'm gonna mark it out for you boys. That one, 112K. If Asia and London takes this higher during Monday, this is the best short for you. So I'm going to remove this. I don't like that short anymore. This one is the best short for you to get into. So I'm probably gonna save this. This is the best short right now. So Monday, you see London and Asia, slowly grind it up, then leading to New York. New York's probably gonna dump it and go lower. So that is my short setup. And we got one at the previous week EQ. And I might actually take one at the weekly open. Let me check the naked point of controls if we don't have one at the weekly, but yeah, this might be a short right here. Hold on, let me just check. No, it doesn't line up with anything. So you got to be very careful tomorrow. Okay, weekly weekly open might be the play, boys. So previous week EQ and weekly open. Hold on. Actually might want to add here. Let me just move my short box. So they buy open, and then oops. What if we should make this bigger? Nah, let's just stick it here. Because you could always just add, but yeah, weekly, yeah. So those are probably the best shorts in my opinion right now. Weekly open, but this one doesn't have any confluence with other levels, so you might have to watch out. But this is gonna be a strong resistance, I'm 100% sure, because bears really don't want to lose this level. So I think once bulls take over this, like get above this, reclaim, we're probably gonna, you know, see more strength from Bitcoin. But pretty simple. TA going into the week, we have a bunch of shorts right at this weekly and previous week EQ plus the golden pocket and this daily level right here. We do have a naked point of control daily just above it. So just be careful. You might wanna, you know, have your stop loss a little bit wider just to be sure. But yeah, something like that. Then you got the golden pocket and the previous week EQ. So those are my level of shorts. For the longs, we have uh two down here. You really want to say Bitcoin hold this lever, because if not, then we're probably gonna trade lower. All right. I'm going to share this into my Telegram so you don't have to screenshot, but these are my levels, boys. Just mark out your levels, set some alerts, be patient, wait for Monday to play out, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.